Hello guys, and today I'm gonna unbox my biggest book order. So this is the bag. So I have many books in here. I ordered probably around 20 books from my favorite series. So I love to read a lot and look. And these are the books I ordered. Oh my god. So let's open it up. Where do I open? Oh yeah. Oh, my scissors, I don't know why my scissors can cut through this much, but so. So this is the first package, and with this more plastic. Okay. So this is the first book. I didn't order this, but I think it's a present because I've ordered like 2 times before this order, and they are all like probably around 10 books. And this is the book I'm most excited about. The Sixth Journey Through Time, Geronimo Stilton. This is over 300 pages long, and I'm most excited about this because I haven't read a Geronimo Stilton novel before. And it is also hardcover, so it's pretty cool. And I've only read like the story and adventures of Geronimo Stilton, so this is my first Geronimo Stilton novel. I love Geronimo Stilton because of his funny vocabulary, like he always used like mouse in all his sentences, like Fabulous and stuff. So this is Diary of a Wimpy Kid hardluck. I heard there's thousands of Easter eggs in this book, and I haven't read it yet, so I ordered this. And this is Thea Stilton, Geronimo Stilton's sister. They also have funny vocabulary like Geronimo Stilton, and about the same writing as Geronimo Stilton. The fun fact is these two series have highlight some words, like important words, like adjectives and nouns the page is about. And this is Diary of an Awesome Friendly Kid. This is Rowley Jefferson, Greg Heffley, who is from Diary of a Wimpy Kid. And you can see him right here. This is his best friend. And I am excited. I'm also excited about this book because lots of people say Rowley Jefferson's perspective of Greg Heffley is different from his perspective from himself. And I also have his adventure book right here. I think this is going to be funny, but I don't know yet. So this is the science comic series. I love this series because it talks about science and also it tells you about the story of the thing is explaining about. It tells you the story while it's explaining you about the subject. I've read Robots and Drones and Cats, and Robots and Drones is pretty cool. Tells you how to construct a robot, what's in a robot. And this is Dogs. I have science comic cats. Now I have science comic dogs, which makes me having the two animal species every person knows and likes. Okay, so let's go to another one. So I can already see another present book in here. This book right here. I think it's gonna be fun to read because I think it's a real story, or maybe not. But the fun fact is not a, character movie, not a fictional movie. I have done an unboxing in my channel before, but I think this is gonna be more interesting than that. It really wrapped it around plastic. Another link. Okay. You can see there's a movie Diary of a Wimpy. They have filmed 3 movies: The Long Hour, the first book, and also Road Break Rules. I have ordered the three of them because I haven't read them yet. And I've watched a little from the Long Hour movie, but I didn't keep watching because the people from that movie don't look as much like the characters from Diary of a Wimpy. And in the Diary of a Wimpy Kid, Greg Heffley, who I talked about before, has how many? Oh yeah, 2 siblings and his 2 parents. And he also has his uncle, his aunt, his grandfather and grandmother, and also his great-great-grandmother or great-great-grandfather. His family is very big, or should I say huge. I'm excited about this book because it says that it tells you about the 3 movies it casted, like a review or the entire movie. And this is another Destination book, The Black Forest Burglary. I'm very keen on mystery now. Not as much when I was little though, because when I was little I always watched the Scooby-Doo, The Scooby-Doo is always funny. My favorite character was Scooby. He can speak English though he's the dog. And this is the Long Hour which I talked about. This also has a movie. And this is Double Down Diary of a Wimpy Kid. I also haven't read this, but I'm keen on this because with this title I can tell it's gonna be a very interesting. And this is the best book in this package probably, because this is the Diary of a Wimpy Kid, the latest book, no brainer. And it has already sold 275 million books. Oh, this is, wait, what the, oh. This is the Boxcar Children. Never mind that. And this is The Getaway. This is Greg Heffley's vacation from a plane. So really, wait, I said the wrong name. Sorry. I mean Greg Hemphley's vacation. He went on a plane this vacation. He has how many? 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, 3 vacation books: The Getaway, The Long Haul, and The Deep End. He has different transportation for each vacation, and this is a plane. The Long Haul is their own car, and the Deep End is his great uncle. Oh yeah, his great uncle's camping van. And this is his first book. This also has a movie, and I haven't read it yet. You're probably like, why don't you read the first book when you start a new series? But you can just read it from the end to start, or however you like it, because one story equals one adventure. One book equals one adventure. And this is old school. This is him going back to school life. I can definitely relate to Greg Hemphley. So that's one of my favorite series, and the package of most of these books is Diary of a Woman. This is Roderick Bruce, the second book, and the main character in this book is Roderick, his older brother. He has a band and he is still in college, but he has lots of songs. He doesn't study, but he writes lots of songs in his free time. So his band's name is Diaper Overload, and he starts another book too, which is Diaper Overload. I have that book, so it doesn't come in this. So let me conclude this. So most of these are Diary of a Wimpy Kid. I haven't read any single of these books. And we got Science Comic, Cars and Dogs, and the movie Diary, there's Stilton, Geronimo Stilton, and there are 2 present books in this book. I'm happy about the present books because they always give me a new sense of reading new series. But I haven't finished these big and successful series yet, so I'll move on when I finish these series. So that's it for today, guys, and see you in the next video. Bye.